See my office.
I'm not joking. All my guys they know me.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is like 6:30 a.m. and I'm still lying on the bed because the work that is in for me this week is a lot. And I'm just here thinking about it, like just thinking about all the work that I have to do this week. But then I have to get going. I have to get started anyway because last week was very, I don't know, was like a holiday for me. Not like a holiday, but yes, last week I didn't get to do anything about work, anything about house, anything at all. I didn't do it. I was like in church almost throughout last week. So I have this week to now make up for it. So there's a lot of work for me this week. From my work to my house to my... Anyway, no long talks. Let me get into my day already. Ciao, ciao. What manner of sleep position is this? I just like came to check up on my baby so we can prepare for the day and bruh. What manner of sleep position is this? I shall speed over the bed and everywhere. See my office. My studio is in a mess. Like yesterday was a lot. And I had like guests over. So there was no light. I wasn't able to like arrange. I'm just gonna like put everything all together today, this morning. It's the before of my house, so my studio.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, get there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime I look together. I'm make I just hold you for life.
mo ti gbọ́ pẹ́ padà ẹ kọlù mi owó ti wà lọ́wọ́ mi ẹ kọlù mi bọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan tí mi kí yẹn para wà lẹ́nu bọ̀ para ó ti lẹ̀ báyìí ẹ kọlù mi tí owó ti wà lẹ̀.
Hold you for life.
dúpẹ́ owó rẹ̀ dàbí láti gbèsè kan mi ẹ̀jẹ̀ bí àwọn náà fún mi jẹ́ gan-an lọ́mọ.
Cheese.
Go on stage.
Cheese.
Go on stage.
You don't even do like this. Come now, you don't want to stay at home.
Oh yeah, go and bring that thing for me. See it from that place.
Oh yeah, yes, baby. Bye bye. Imolayo. Bye bye now. I'm just thinking this morning because I have home service. I have home service this morning and my trainee is not yet here. That maybe we might go together. So I'm like just thinking about it. What if she comes when I've already gone for my home service? Or I don't know. I don't just want her to just come and be waiting here. You know what? I'll just contact her to let her know. If she's close by, maybe I'll just wait for her. And if she's not, she should just chill till when I'm done my home service. Ah, my lip looks so good today. Oh.
Plus ginger.
Yes. Don't put sugar.
Okay.
Just drink it.
Okay, should I sieve out the thickness? As in when after blending,
Yes.
or I will drink with
If
everything?
you don't have a juicer, like we have a juicer and the juicer sees out the
Oh, by itself.
by
No,
itself
I
and
don't.
gives
I
you just the
don't.
juice.
Yes, I don't.
If you don't have the juicer, then you blend
I just
it.
have a blender. I don't
Then
have.
you use do you have muslin cloth?
Yes, I do.
You know this muslin cloth they use in sieving pack. But when you finish taking your bath, just sit down on a stool, use it to scrub your body and then sit down there for it
And
to
see
dry.
if I want to do the natural.
My house don't say I buy like everything I desire. For the city, my rhythm flow like a river. If you get yawa, come on, pass it down. I go just para, I'm a my jigger. I go just